Okay, this is just amount of hairs after 2 brushes. I don't know if third is required, but for now I will leave him alone because she is eating. This is Stuffy, and this is third time I'm just trying to check this brush if it takes out more of her hair. So this is Stuffy, chilling and sleeping calmly, and this is my brush. This is empty. So let's see. Taburi. So she is just lying there around, simply enjoying the brush. Shit. Still, lots of hair, guys. Now she's awake. Good. So this is our Duffy, and this is oh shit. All the hairs went in my bungalow.